Welcome to 10 Smart Ways to Earn Money from Home. In today's fast-paced world, finding ways to earn money without leaving the comfort of your home has never been more appealing. Look, I get it. The 9-to-5 grind isn't for everyone. The daily commute, the office politics, and the rigid schedule can be exhausting and unfulfilling. Maybe you crave flexibility, or maybe you just want to ditch the commute and work from the comfort of your own home. Imagine starting your day without the stress of traffic and instead enjoying a cup of coffee in your pajamas while you get to work. The good news is, in this video, I'm going over 10 different side hustles that you can start today, all from your computer, to earn extra cash. These opportunities are perfect for anyone looking to supplement their income or even build a full-time business from home. Whether you're looking to make an extra $100 a week, or you want to replace your full-time income and then some, these side hustles can help you achieve your financial goals. With the right approach and dedication, you can turn these side hustles into a significant source of income. Let's get right into it. Get ready to explore a world of possibilities that can transform your financial future and give you the freedom to work on your own terms. Freelance writing is a great way to earn money from home if you have a knack for words. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, the flexibility and freedom it offers can be incredibly rewarding. There's a huge demand for talented writers who can create engaging blog posts, website copy, and even social media captions. Businesses and individuals alike are always on the lookout for fresh, compelling content to capture their audience's attention. The best part? You can set your own rates and work as much or as little as you want. This means you can tailor your workload to fit your lifestyle, whether you prefer working full-time or just a few hours a week. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find freelance writing gigs. These platforms connect freelancers with clients from all over the world, offering a wide range of projects to choose from. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and start pitching clients. Make sure to highlight your strengths and any relevant experience you have. A well-crafted profile can make all the difference in attracting potential clients. Remember, building a strong portfolio takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't land your dream client right away. Start with smaller projects to build your reputation, and gradually take on more challenging assignments. Consistency is key in the freelance world, so keep honing your craft and putting yourself out there. Network with other writers, join online communities, and continuously promote your work. The more visible you are, the more opportunities will come your way. Additionally, consider attending virtual writing workshops and reading books on writing to improve your skills. Staying updated with industry trends and learning new techniques can give you an edge over the competition. And don't forget to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Positive feedback from clients and successfully completed projects can be great motivators to keep pushing forward. Set new goals for yourself and plan future projects to keep the momentum going. Freelance writing is a journey, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve great things. Are you an expert in math, science, or a foreign language? If so, you can leverage your knowledge to make money as a virtual tutor. Online tutoring platforms like TutorMe and Schooly connect students with qualified tutors across a wide range of subjects. You can set your own hours and work with students of all ages, from elementary school to college. The earning potential for virtual tutoring can be significant, especially if you specialize in in-demand subjects like test preparation. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of helping others achieve their academic goals. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. It's a great way to monetize your blog, website, or social media following. Essentially, you partner with a company and promote their products through your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose products that are relevant to your audience and that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is key to building trust with your followers and driving conversions. If you're a creative person with a passion for making things, selling handmade goods online could be your ticket to earning extra cash. Imagine turning your hobby into a thriving business, where each piece you create finds a home with someone who truly appreciates your craftsmanship. Platforms like Etsy provide a global marketplace for artisans and crafters to sell their unique creations. With millions of buyers browsing daily, your products can reach a wide audience, far beyond your local community. Whether you specialize in jewelry, candles, or home decor, there's an audience out there for your products. Each category has its own niche market, and with the right approach, you can tap into these communities and build a loyal customer base. The key to success on Etsy is to create high-quality products, take stunning photos, and write compelling product descriptions that highlight the unique value of your creations. High-quality images can make your listings stand out, while detailed descriptions help customers understand the care and effort you put into each item. Don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing and leverage social media to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for visual storytelling, allowing you to share the journey behind your creations and engage with your audience on a personal level. Consistent posting and interaction can significantly boost your visibility and sales. Additionally, customer reviews and feedback play a crucial role in building your reputation. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and share their experiences. This not only builds trust with potential buyers but also enhances your credibility as a seller. Finally, don't overlook the importance of packaging. Thoughtful and attractive packaging can enhance the unboxing experience, making your customers feel special and more likely to return for future purchases. Efficient packaging also ensures your items arrive safely, maintaining the quality of your handmade goods. While it won't make you rich, taking online surveys is a quick and easy way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. There are numerous survey platforms available, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Just sign up, complete your profile, and start taking surveys that match your interests. Most surveys pay a few cents to a few dollars each, and you can cash out your earnings once you reach a certain threshold. If you have a knack for photography, selling your photos online through stock photography websites can be a lucrative side hustle. Websites like Shutterstock, iStockPhoto, and Adobe Stock offer a platform for photographers of all levels to license their images to businesses, marketers, and individuals worldwide. Every time someone downloads one of your photos, you earn a royalty. The key to success in stock photography is to upload high-quality, in-demand images that cater to the needs of potential buyers. Think about what kind of images businesses and publishers are looking for, and focus on capturing those types of shots. Many companies are now hiring remote customer service representatives to handle customer inquiries, provide technical support, and resolve issues. This is a great option for those who enjoy helping others and have excellent communication skills. You can find remote customer service jobs on job boards like Indeed and LinkedIn, as well as on company websites. The pay for these positions can vary depending on the company and the level of experience required, but it's typically an hourly rate with the potential for benefits. Starting a blog can be a rewarding way to share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and potentially earn a significant income. The key to successful blogging is to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract a dedicated audience. Once you've established your niche, focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your readers. Monetizing your blog can take time and effort, but common methods include affiliate marketing, display advertising, and selling your own products or services. If you're comfortable being on camera and have a knack for creating engaging video content, starting a YouTube channel could be a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time career. The key to success on YouTube is to identify a niche that you're passionate about and that has the potential to attract a large audience. Once you've found your niche, focus on creating high-quality videos that provide value to your viewers, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. As your channel grows, you can monetize your content through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Self-publishing has made it easier than ever for aspiring authors to share their stories and expertise with the world. If you have a knack for writing and a story to tell, consider writing and publishing your own ebook. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to upload your manuscript, set your own price, and reach a global audience. The key to success in ebook publishing is to choose a genre that you're passionate about and that has a strong market demand. Once you've written your ebook, invest in professional editing and cover design to ensure that your book looks and reads its best. So there you have it, 10 different ways you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find the perfect fit. With hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, you can achieve your financial dreams and live life on your own terms. As always, make sure to do your own research and due diligence before starting any new venture. Thanks for watching.